Hey guys, Italo here from Roia Moto. Just want to make a quick video for our customers based in the US in connection with the tariffs. Now, the goal of this video is to create a level of transparency and clarity to help you decide if you're looking on our website and considering to buy one of our motorcycle specific toolkits or any of the products that we have available, then this video is going to be useful to you. As of the date that I'm publishing this video here on social media, if you place an order and it goes through customs in the US, we ship our products from Austria, and if it gets through customs before the 28th of August, then you're not going to have to pay additional import duties. And that is due to a regulation that you have in the US called the Dimminimis Rule, which pretty much means that shipments with a total declared value below $800 are exempt from tariffs, from import duties. So realistic, okay, if I look at the how long it usually takes for a shipment that we post here from Austria to get delivered to you is roughly 10 days. Now it can change, depends on the state that you are. Of course, if you're in Alaska, if you're in California, New York, all this is going to change, but roughly 10 days you can get there. What that means that orders that we receive until Tuesday, August 12th of 2025, they should get delivered to you before the 28th of August, and you're going to be entitled to this de minimis rule, and you're exempt of custom duties. Even though we assemble the toolkits here in Austria, and when I say we, is myself and a friend of mine, so we are the co-founders of Roia Moto, we assemble everything in Austria ourselves. Of course, the tools, the components of our toolkits are not necessarily all made in Austria. So for example, our spanners are from a Japanese company called Asahi, and they are manufactured in Japan. But if I look at the ratchet, also from Asahi, the ratchet is designed by Asahi, but is manufactured in Taiwan. If I look at the bag that we have designed, is manufactured in China. So when you put all of the combination of tools that we have today on our toolkits, from the US perspective, I have to declare this as made in Taiwan, even though it is assembled in Austria. So that means that after August 28th, you could have additional costs related to customs considering Taiwan as country of origin. There's a new section on our website specifically for US customers, and I will try to keep that as updated as possible, but keep in mind here we are a two-man company, so I'll put the date in there so you can take a look, but also make your own research, especially if you're watching this video several days or weeks after it's been published here on our social media channels. So that is the main message of this video, and more on a personal note in here, I'm not gonna lie, this sucks, right? This really sucks for us, it sucks for you guys that are interested in getting our toolkits, and I can hardly believe, right? We started selling our toolkits September 2024, and it's unreal for me that we have now our toolkits on the hands of motorcycle riders in over 30 countries. I think that's just incredible. And when I read the reviews that you guys leave on the website, and I get emails almost every day of people when they get their toolkits, when they put it to use, I get pictures, and people are just like really happy. I'm really stoked and grateful that this product that I dreamed for a very long time, that I'm very proud to have put it together, other riders are identifying with it, and it's helping them on their motorcycle rides. This all started with a YouTube channel, a dream of putting some nice toolkit together, and it literally would not exist without the support of you guys. So thanks for everybody who has supported our idea. We have many more ideas. There are many more products that we would like to bring to you guys. Takes time, but we are there, and your support is what really keeps us motivated. So thanks again, ride safe, and I see you on the next one. Bye bye.